Hey everybody, it's Darlene from Liquid Sunshine. Just wanted to talk about gun maintenance at the end of the day or when you finish spraying. You want to make sure that you rinse with clear water once you remove the solution. You want to run clear water through your gun. You can put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here, but then you have to remove that and then put clear water, clear warm water in there and keep spraying, spray until you don't smell any more of the apple cider vinegar in there, because you don't want that left in any of, or to be put into any of the solutions. So that's my biggest thing, is to maintain your gun and it will be your best friend, okay? When you get your gun, you usually get it in the Fuji box. I keep that, and then I keep all of the user manuals in there, all of the tools that they send you, no matter what. I don't throw anything out. It's all in there, good to go. The cap here, you just unscrew it. It takes no time to unscrew. This is the 7350 gun, which is most used. Just make sure all the holes, there's nothing inside. So you're going to take the one of your brushes, whether it be the Fuji or a toothbrush, warm water, soap, rinse, make sure it's clean, clear, okay? I'm not going to take the time to put it back on. Okay, under here, your seal under here, make sure that that has not worn down. Change it if you need it. If you don't have another seal, you can turn it upside down and use the other side. I always keep the old ones, because if I was taking it out and, I don't know, it ripped, tore, I'd rather have a bad one on hand that I can flip upside down and use the better side than have nothing at all. The tubing that you see on the side here, you can easily get at the fish store. Comes like that. So either take your gun or take just the hose that's on there, and they'll match it up. They'll give you the right size hose, and you just cut it the length that you need it and put it on. This is under $3 for this hose. So it's amazing. The duckbill, I will squeeze it because it's like a duckbill, like, right? So like big lips, I guess. And just squeeze it to open it, and take the brush and clean in there. I don't remove it because it is so hard to get back on. If you have a strong husband at home, that's great. I don't. So I don't remove it. I don't. Like, no, I did once. Okay, so for your machine itself, the filters, you should really be running this under water, allowing it to dry often. Just, and it would depend on how many tans you do. It could be every day that you might have to go home and rinse out the filters for your actual machine. And I'm talking about the Fuji machine because that's what I have. I have two of them. And you want to make sure, because what had happened once, because I wasn't paying attention, is a little bit of the solution had come through the filter and kind of, landed on the floor. Thankfully, it was my floor. so it didn't matter. But ever since then, I always put something underneath my gun, like a towel, or I use a lot of pee pads because it's disposable and it soaks that mess up. So I hope that helps with just basic maintenance at the end of the day. When you do that and really take care of your gun, then I don't know, I'm bad for saying this, but I really don't do the deep clean, pulling the needle out. There is videos on YouTube of how to do that if you want to do it. I did it once, and then when I pulled out the long needle here, and you have to make sure that you do not bang it or dent it or anything, because it's boop, it's gone, it's ruined. But a little ball fell out, little silver ball fell out, so I don't know, I just put it in, it seems to work. It's been a couple of years and I'm like, no, I'm not going through that again. So I just really do a lot of maintenance on my gun at the end of the spray. Okay, so I hope that helps. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I did, please just DM me and I can go over anything with you. And that's it. All right, have a great day. Peace out.